Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Mailfence account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your browser and type mailfence.com in your search bar and then press enter. After doing so, you will see this page, and at the top right corner there is button of login. Click on login. After logging in, it will take you to the home page of the Mailfence. Now click on your profile, which is at the top right corner of the page. You will see many options. After clicking on the profile button, click on settings. And click on general, and after scrolling down a little bit you will see delete my account button. Click on it. It will ask you to confirm the deletion of your account, and you need to click on yes button, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.